Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a shout out fidget spinner and oh my god, fidget cube. Okay. So I'm gonna shout out to my classmates first, Nabil and Iman, and and Nabil's channel is Azam MOHD. And Iman don't have a channel, but his name in YouTube is Iman Mama. Okay, so let's get into the fidget spinner. So here's the fidget spinner. Spin it. Okay, it's the second fast. Yeah. The most fastest is the blue one, and the last fast is the first one. Yeah, it's a two-sided one. But if I do like this, it just stops. I don't know why. Yeah. So this is the fidget cube. So you can press it like this. This one makes noise. Yeah. And these two as well, but these don't. And then the joystick. And then this is my favorite. Oh yeah. Okay, so I would really like this ball and some of these things and the spin. This is the most not thing ever. And this is the thumb relaxing thing. Oh yeah, as you can see there. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wait. Just for a bit. Subtitle. That's a Pokemon. Okay, guys. Bye.